1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take more up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will do first element. After we try do this element and how to do, I will show you some exercises. So first we were starting and from up our body. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. So we see it. We up our left leg, taking this position and keep another leg on ourselves. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Thank you. And sit. Take our breath. Slowly breathe out and go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching this video. Down first group. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then after I will take 3 and 4 and back. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take more up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we will do first element. After we try do this element and how to do, I will show you some exercises. So first we were starting and from up watching. I put here. So we're starting from leg. Slowly take it up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Take leg here and slowly go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. After that, in this position. So take it. And now starting to do exercise. So we're starting 1, 2, 3,